Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video. Today, we're diving into a bit of a problem that might have crossed your mind if you've ever worked with the Getopt function. The issue at hand is that Getopt takes char * const argv, an array of constant pointers to char. Now, here's the catch: Getopt actually permutes argv, shuffling all non-options to the end of the array. This could be a bit puzzling because instead of just swapping pointers, Getopt ends up swapping strings character by character. Quite the head scratcher, right? Let's explore this problem further. Now, let's delve into the solution. According to the man page for Linux, Getopt has an interesting reason for using const in its argument. It mentions that in POSIX environments like Linux, provided the POSIXly_correct environment variable isn't set, the elements of argv are not truly constant because of the permutation that Getopt performs. However, Getopt pretends they are constant in the function prototype to maintain compatibility with other systems. So, on Linux, the const qualifier can actually be omitted. Quite a clever workaround, don't you think? In conclusion, we've tackled the perplexing problem of Getopt and its handling of const in the argv argument. While it may seem confusing at first, the solution provided by the Linux man page sheds light on why Getopt is designed this way. If you ever find yourself scratching your head over this in the future, just remember the POSIXly_correct variable and how Getopt handles argv. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!